starring in this drama. Drama because of you. Even in disco lights, I still feel every lie. Wish I could hurt you too. Baby, you know I'm not kidding.
Hello my friends, and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Right, today I'm doing an Italian classic, and it's a great comfort food, and it's an Italian classic that for once doesn't involve pasta or even a tomato sauce. I'm actually doing a chicken marsala using the Marsala wine, the fortified wine, which is delicious, and it's rich, it's creamy, super tasty. So let's get on and cook it. Right, so we'll start off by putting a tablespoon of olive oil in the frying pan, and to that, while it's still cold, I will add two cloves of garlic, just cut up in half each. Put them in cold because I want them to infuse their garlic flavour into that oil, and then we will take them out later when they've done their job, and all will be good. After that, I'm going to put 2 chicken breasts, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper. We're just going to cook these for a few minutes on each side until they're nicely browned on both sides and partly cooked all the way through.
You know I'm not getting over you. Baby, you know I'm not getting over.
Right, they've been cooking for about 5 or 6 minutes, so I'll just turn them over, give them the same on this side too. The garlic, as you can see, it's done its job. We can take it out. Okay, they've been cooking for another 5 minutes on that side. Turn them back over again. Now then, we're going to put on top of each one a couple of slices of mozzarella. This isn't the ball mozzarella, this is the sort of block one. And onto those, I will put, if you know me, you know I love anchovies. Large anchovy on each. And then, if they'll stay on top, a couple, 2 or 3 capers. Not sure if they'll stay, but we'll see. And then we'll just continue to cook these for another 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. And we'll put a lid on just to help the cheese melt. And we'll come back to them in 5 minutes. Lovely. Right, that's been cooking for a further 6 minutes or so. I'll just take a temperature reading. It's good enough. Should be safe to eat. Now then, what I'm going to do is transfer these to a plate. Cheese coming off. Right, with all the bits in the pan here into that, I will put equivalent of 3 tablespoons of the Marsala wine. Turn the heat up. Take the rest of that cheese out, I think. It won't look good. The sauce won't look too good if I leave that in. I'll let that bubble away a little bit, and then I will add some cream. I'll just take it off the heat. Right, put it back on, and then hope the camera can pick this up. Put in, it's about 100 or 120 millilitres of cream, which will thicken the sauce up. Let that bubble away, let it reduce a little bit and thicken, and then it will be time to dish up.
Not moving on. Baby, you know I'm not getting over you. Baby, you know I'm not getting over you. Hey, I'm starring in this drama because of you. Even in disco lights, I still feel every lie. Wish I could hurt you too.
Okay, I'm looking forward to this. It's rich, it's creamy, it's just pure comfort food. This is fantastic. You've got to give this a go. I say this about every dish, but it's true, you've got to give it a go. That chicken with the sauce on top, with the cheese on top, and then the sauce. Oh, fantastic. I'll get some greens. Give this a go. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. And please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So until then, peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.